serverless is still there. We'll see in other videos. We still have serverless for functions in our logic apps that we can use. Things in Azure in general, though, tend to be moving away from kind of the serverless style into things that I guess I'd consider an app service environment. An ASE is what they call it. And what these are fixed units of compute. Think of it as a virtual machine. And these guys are scalable. They can't have isolated resources. I think all ASEs will have isolated resources. You can read a lot more about ASEs, find whole videos on them. They go through multiple versions as well. You'll see this in Azure. There's ASE v1, 2, and 3, and there's probably higher than that now. Different ones have different features, do different things, stuff like that. But they're this fixed unit of compute. So instead of saying, I have 1,000 logic apps, counting the number of actions and seeing how much that's going to cost me, I can just now pay, $150 a month for my fixed unit of compute. What are some other helpful tools? These are things I find that I use quite frequently. There's this little site called http://stat.us where you could pass it in a code /200 and it'll echo you back a 200 response. I find this very useful in testing a lot of obscure paths. I want to know what happens when I get a 404, stuff like that. I find this useful. Logic Apps has implemented some static response templates kind of thing, so isn't as useful as it was several years ago, with something I still use.